In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OBS Studio scene transitions. Scene transitions are what you see when you switch from one scene to another. Think of them as the polish between your camera, gameplay, or slideshow. Let's set them up so your stream or recording looks clean and professional. First, open OBS Studio. Once it's up, look for the Scene Transitions dock. It's usually near the bottom right by default. If you don't see it, go to the View menu, open Docks, and enable Scene Transitions. You can dock it wherever you like, so it's easy to reach while you work. Inside that dock, you'll find a drop-down for the active transition. Click it and choose a new effect such as cut or fade. Cut is instant, great for fast-paced switches or when you want zero visual flair. Fade gently blends one scene into another and is a classic choice for a smooth, subtle look. Right next to the drop-down is the duration field. This controls how long the transition takes. Shorter times feel snappier, longer times feel more cinematic. As a guideline, around 200 to 300 milliseconds is quick and responsive, while 700 to 1000 milliseconds is slower and dramatic. Adjust until the pacing matches your content. If you want more stylistic options, click the plus button in the Scene Transitions dock. You'll see choices like swipe, slide, luma wipe, and stinger. Swipe and slide move the new scene into view from a direction you choose. Luma wipe uses a pattern to reveal the next scene for a more stylized look. Each one has its own settings, so try a few and preview how they feel. Selecting Stinger lets you use a video file as the transition. After you pick your file, set the transition point to match the moment your graphic fully covers the screen. This is when OBS switches from the old scene to the new one. The timing is usually entered in milliseconds. For best results, use a stinger with a clean cover frame or alpha transparency so the cut is hidden by the animation. You can also assign a unique transition to a specific scene. Right-click that scene in your scenes list, choose Transition Override, and select the effect you want. This is perfect if, for example, you want a simple cut for fast gameplay switches, but a fade when moving to a talking scene. Finally, enable studio mode to preview transitions before they go live. You'll see a preview on the left and your live program on the right. Test your effects and durations there, then click transition to push the change live. And that's it. Your scene transitions are set and ready to shine.